Tram, thank you for the 10 months. Do you guys like my haircut? Yes or no? Oh, shit, this guy made a new diss track. Is this a new diss track? Is it? Is this a new diss track? Are these guys still beefing, yes or no?
How music helped me get through shit and like, you know what I'm saying?
What is the point of 2 watches? Can one of you guys tell me what the point of 2 watches is? Like, actually. You ever eat food that's hot and it burns your tongue so you move your whole body? What's something I can watch? What's one of those, what is that thing where it's like weird, not My Strange Addiction. What's the other thing? It's like, you know, what's a cool thing? Yeah, you know what I mean. What can I watch? This show? Who's this? Who is
Go
this?
good look for the sub.
You guys all want me to watch this? Who is this? This is too long. I want like a 10-minute video, a 5-minute video. Oh, it's this guy. Chat, if someone were to record me and they gave me the pass, would you want me to say it, or was that bad? Or should I not even be saying that?
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Preparing the
N-word.
Hey yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jadon.
Jesus.
Banger. Today, man, y'all been blowing up my DM. Y'all been begging me, Jadon, give us N-Word Pass Volume 3. We need it. Well, guess what, y'all? Not only am I giving it to y'all, but I'm at one of the most diverse colleges in the entire nation, the University of Houston. All my Mexicans out there can say my nigga. All my whites out there can say my nigga. All my Chinese can say my nigga. Everybody can say my nigga today. So without any further ado, what's good, Boogie?
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
You call me Boogie.
Hey, man, I got something for you, man. You delivering a package?
Yeah.
I don't care if
Whoever
they
you
do, I'm just
delivering this to,
asking, like.
Give them this, too.
What is it?
It's the N-Word Pass, man. We trying to spread love, man. We trying to let everybody say my nigga, you know?
Right,
we can't keep it to ourselves. We can't keep it to ourselves, you feel me? You feel me? What's good, my man? How you doing, bro? What you listening to right now?
DJ Screw.
DJ Screw, he black?
Yeah, my mind went blank.
Shit.
What's this?
The N-Word Pass. My nigga, bro.
I don't know, bro. You sure?
It's the N-Word Pass, bro.
I got this?
You got it.
Damn.
Stay with me, my nigga.
Chat is dead as. Yo, at Vagil. Bro, should I ban him? At Vagil Logan. Should I ban him? Well, Citrus already banned him. Citrus. I don't know why you banned him. That's my job.
My nigga, bro.
My nigga! Yeah!
My roommates are.
I'm eating food, bro. I'm literally eating food. There's no content. What's like the best? I swear it's. It's gotta be this, bro.
Bro,
Just say one more throw one time.
What up, my nigga?
Oh, shit. How you doing, bro?
Yo, Blake.
You on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, you watching a video?
Yeah.
Oh shit, what you watching?
I'm watching a documentary for my intro to modern China class.
Oh shit, damn. Hey, is there any black people in China?
Yeah?
Plan on going there?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. Well, shit, take this with you, man. It's the N-word pass, bro. My nigga. All right, take care, man. Hey, use it, all right? Hey, man, I got something for you, bro. You a Deadpool fan?
Yeah.
You know Deadpool's black?
For real?
Actually?
Yeah, they just reincarnated him, but hey,
Oh.
here's the N-word pass, bro.
All right.
My nigga.
Okay.
No, I'm for real. Like, you can say it. Like, it's the
I'm
pass.
all good. Thanks, man.
Come on, man. It's the pass. It's
React
the
to hip-hop
pass.
songs or something?
Hey, I got something for you right here.
Yeah, this is kind of repetitive. I want something good I can react to while I eat. What's something good? It's kind of repetitive. How many likes or how many views does this have? Isn't this crazy? What is this, the new one? Like, wait, this one has 3.2 million views as well? Bro, you know the original one got taken down? The original one got taken down. The original one has like 23 million views or something like that. Isn't that crazy? I'm not playing it. It's kind of crazy that like all these people are like IRL drones. Are they not? Like, be honest. Like, these guys are kind of all drones. You made that one? Do you guys miss this being my profile picture on Twitch? Look at the top left. Was that a better profile picture? The capital D colon. I used to have that and a tryhard. Yeah. Holy. Realistically, they should give me money for this now. You think this made money? 12 million views? I like this one. Wait, should I go on America's Got Talent? Do you think I could get onto it? Is America's Got Talent still a thing? Is it still like Howie Mandel? My dad's the producer of it. Are you serious, Citrus, or no? Yo, if I had an opportunity to go on this, should I? Wait, I want to go on it. What if I actually did that? What would be my act?